Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Katrina and today we are going to properly pronounce some of the French luxury brands that are popular across the world. You've probably already seen this type of video before, but apart from learning the proper pronunciation, I will also be sharing some basic information that I know about these brands that hopefully you'll find it interesting too. So, c'est parti! Let's start with a popular one. Hermes, not Hermes, huh? Hermes. Say it with me. Hermes. Another thing about the French people is that when they pronounce their words, they don't really open their mouth wide. So you say Hermes. Ana ayo ka ayo dak ayo mong ba Hermes, Hermes. No, it's Hermes. Is the last name of the founder, Thierry Hermes, who created high-quality wrought harnesses and bridles for the carriage trade in 1800s. So if you really know the brand, up to today you will find some products that are accessories for the horses. So next we have Chanel. Again, Chanel. So if you notice, dili kay dako ng baba kay mausab ang pronunciation. Alright, again, Chanel. Chanel was founded by the legendary Gabrielle Coco Chanel. So if you really like this brand, I would highly recommend that you should watch the movie Coco before Chanel. Louis Vuitton. Again, Louis Vuitton. Alright, not Louis Vuitton. Louis Vuitton. Ana, L-W-I. Ana, Louis Vuitton. Alright. Louis Vuitton was founded by Louis Vuitton himself, and their first products were lightweight and airtight flat-topped trunks. They call this malle in French. Now, you've probably noticed that most of these brands are the actual names of the founders, and we'll find more of it as we go along. Givenchy. Again, Givenchy. Givenchy. Alright, so Givenchy was founded by Hubert de Givenchy himself, and he created some floaty skirts and puffy blouses back in the 1950s. Now this one's easy, it's Celine. So, even though na siya accent, Celine or siya pag-pronounce, founded by Celine Vipiana along with her husband, and initially this luxury brand was created for customized children's shoes. Imagine. Then we have Christian Dior. Christian Dior. Christian Dior was founded by Christian Dior himself, who created haute couture dresses, which was found revolutionary in the fashion industry at the end of the 1940s. YSL stands for Yves Saint Laurent. Yves Saint Laurent, or just Saint Laurent. You see? Saint Laurent. Yves Saint Laurent was founded by Yves Saint Laurent himself and his partner, Pierre. When Yves was young, he left Algeria for Paris, where he worked for the French designer Christian Dior, where he gained great feedbacks for his dress design. He loved Marrakech in Morocco, and he bought a house there where he would design haute couture dresses. So if you happen to be in Marrakech, please do visit his home and his museum. This one's a popular one, obviously for their red lacquered soles. So it's Christian Louboutin. Christian Louboutin. Louboutin, not Louboutin, huh? Louboutin. Next, we have Goyard. Again, Goyard. So silent D. I used to pronounce this as Goyard too, but that's why we learn, okay? So it's Goyard. Goyard is a year older than Louis Vuitton, which also makes trunks and leather goods. Now, unlike the other luxury brands who expanded to online retail and online advertising, Goyard built its reputation on exclusivity, which makes their products more desirable. Guerlain. Again, Guerlain. Guerlain is initially a small perfume business in Paris, founded by the master perfumer himself, Pierre-François Guerlain, who created perfumes for the rich and famous like Napoleon III, Queen Victoria, Queen Isabella of Spain, and so on. And for the last one, we have Jean-Paul Gaultier. So silent L and R. And then, very small mouth with very deep voice. Munang sexy, paminaw na sa in French. Sumana na sila sa ilang perfume ads. Jean-Paul Gaultier. Jean-Paul Gaultier. Jean-Paul Gaultier, who never received a formal training as a designer, sent his sketches to popular couture stylists, and Pierre Cardin was impressed and hired him as his assistant. Later on, Pierre Cardin sent Jean-Paul Gaultier to Manila to manage the local office, and Imelda Marcos was one of his clients. Interesting, right? So that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned not just how to pronounce these French brands, but also gained a little bit of information about these brands. So if you have some other French brands that you wished was on this video, please put in the comments below and we'll make a part 2. And thank you all for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bisous!